Smile.
Okay. So, let's get started. I will give you a short introduction for this Eclipse Day Toulouse. So, first of all, thank you to welcome here for Eclipse Day Toulouse, and thank you to join us for the day. Well, if we can organize this event for a few participation from you of only 20 euros, it's because we have sponsors, and so the event is organized by Obeo and Sierra Wireless, and we have 10 participating companies or organizations, mainly, and that's very interesting because we have both local sponsors, I would say like Aerospace Valley or Digital Place, which are local organizations for the development of IT economy in the Toulouse area. And we also have Airbus as a sponsor, as a long-time promoter of Eclipse technologies for their internal use. And we also have European or international companies supporting the event with Actuate, they are the people behind BIRD, as they stated in their logo. We have Black Duck, Itemis, and Talent, and also Eclipse Foundation, which support this event, obviously. We will have the coffee break. You will see that all the sponsors, most of the sponsors have a booth around the coffee break and around the buffet. And I invite you to get in touch with them and get maybe goodies or information or interesting discussion with all of them. So today we'll see nearly 200 people during the day. We are less than that this morning, but you know we are in Toulouse, so they may have at least a quarter, maybe at least a quarter late. So I think that's a huge number. We have, I think that's the largest Eclipse event in France this year. I'm certain it is. And even I think that last year and the year before there weren't so many people together around Eclipse and the Eclipse stores. Well, you will get you all should have a program with your badge, and in the program you have this paper with which you can try to win an Airdrone 2.0. That's I think that the Airdrone 2.0 was released last week, so that's bleeding edge technology. And well, we will do the drawing lots this afternoon. Today, just a few words about the program. I won't read it because you should all have it. We have 3 sessions. This morning only 2 sessions in parallel, and this afternoon the third one. With one session, mainly in this room, about Eclipse hot stuff, news and noteworthy about Eclipse, Eclipse 4, development of nice technologies with Eclipse. We have also a track about embedded systems in a room upstairs. We have some talks about Internet of Things, and also one session dedicated to business models around open source in general and Eclipse in particular. I think that's the opportunity also to meet both developers and people interested in business model, and to have nice discussions during the lunch. So we have 3 rooms. This room is the amphitheater with keynotes plus Eclipse hot stuff. There is a DVD room. It's nothing related to what we think about DVD, but in fact it's 3 rooms with 3 different names, one starting with a D, a V, and a D. And they are packed together to have a large room. So it's on the 2nd floor. You can either take the lift to go at the 2nd floor, and then you have directions, and you follow the directions of Eclipse Day Toulouse, or you can take the stairs, and the room is just where you go out of the stairs at the 2nd floor. And there is a smaller room in the 3rd floor for business model. And coffee breaks, and buffet, and sponsor booths in the basement. So we have 30 speakers today. Some coming from Toulouse, of course, it's easy for them. Some coming from France also. Thank you to be with us. Some coming from Germany, from Spain, from Sweden. So it's becoming a little bit international, and that's nice to have oh, sorry, and one
from America,
from Canada, Toronto, no, Ottawa, okay, and the first one from Ottawa. Sorry, shame on me. So thank you to all these speakers for your valuable contribution. I think that we all wait for your talk. So just a few instructions. Please conform to the agenda. We have 30 minutes for each slot. So let's try to make it in 20 minutes plus questions. And don't be hungry. There will be one person in each room to tell you that you have either 5 minutes or it's the end of your talk. So timekeeping is part of the job. Don't be hungry about after them. As we are a bit international today, most of the talk maybe in English. So all the presentations are prepared in English. But obviously, if both the speakers and the attendees of one session all speak French, you can do the presentation in French. So you may ask at the beginning of your session, of your talk, if you can speak French. All sessions will be recorded in the 3 rooms, and we will use it during the coming months to continue to have momentum about this day. So we should have asked you to sign a paper before recording, but we didn't do that. So please, if you don't want to be recorded, or if you want us to put the record to trash, please tell us before we publish it. Just few words, because if we are so many people here today, and if we organize this event here today with the support of Aerospace Valley and other local industry, I think that's because those guys, some are in the room, and started to think about top case, then started to create a European project named OPs. Then now are starting an industry working group inside Eclipse called Polarsis. So not all the presentation, of course, are about top case or Polarsis, but I think that's one of the key points that make the local the Eclipse ecosystem so rich in this area. So just a few words about that. OPs is, for those who never met me before in this context, OPs is an initiative to create the ecosystem about tools for the development of embedded systems. So a lot of talks will be about or coming from the OPs project in the embedded system track. And also in the business model system, in the business model track, because we are working a lot on business models. And the OPIS project, which is a European funded project, decided last year to create an industry working group inside Eclipse. I think that Ian will give some few words about industry working group in his presentation. So I don't say more about that, but that's also why we are here. We may have a Wi-Fi connection. Go! Only 100 connections. Basically, they were supposed to have the optical fiber before the conference, and it looks like they don't have one for the moment. It's late, as it can be late as infrastructure. So we just have 100 connections, but that's also a good opportunity to not read or write emails and just to listen to the talk. So if you need the password, I have it. Just a few words. A special thanks to Ralph. Where are you, Ralph? Where is Ralph? Wow. Ralph is not here. But I think that without Ralph, this day would not be international, because thanks to Ralph, we have many German people today, and so thank you. Also to Pierre, because I've worked with him, and to Pierre and Benjamin, I worked with them, 3 people on the program, and making it interesting. And I think that we can be proud of the program, because that's certainly because of the program why you are here. And also one special word to Melanie, who is my co-worker at UBO Toulouse, and who ran after some of the printing programs and so on, because I was late to prepare the material for her. So thank you all. Thank you to be there. Just a question: how many people here are from Toulouse? Okay, mainly Toulouse people. So let's get started and enjoy your day.